It's raining.
Now we have to find a match.
Good morning, sunshines. I am tired. Today, we're not doing anything today. I have to do laundry.
I want to stay home.
She want to stay home. If they've been home. For her mom. And I can't find a match to her hair. So, she's just going to go to school with one little thing in her hair. Right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, I'm going to get up, get dressed, and take them to the bus stop.
I'm taking a picture. It's beautiful. Is that sunrise?
Yeah.
That's the biggest
But we were at the top, that's why you can see it so
So pretty.
Good morning, sunshines. I know it's us again. It's about 6:59. We've been up since 4 o'clock, and we're on the road. I don't know where we're going. I have no idea where we're going, but it should be fun. I'm gonna try to vlog today. Can you believe we've been up? All the kids are dressed. We went to the grocery store. Came back, made breakfast, and we're on the road by 7. That's how we do it on a Sunday. So, I don't know where he's taking us. Well, we know it could be anywhere. So I'll see you guys when we get.
I don't know, just go.
Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Be careful.
You don't know how I got up there?
It's wet.
It's wet.
Can you get my coffee cup?
Can you get Daddy a coffee mug, JJ? Right there.
You're too big to go in that. You're a dog.
Oh my gosh, that is
Not fun.
not fun.
Yeah, no. It's because you're an adult. Seriously?
Eddie, you want to do it? Alright, come. Get on.
How I do it? You gonna record me, Jordan?
Oh, yeah, you can give me
Ready? Alright, ready? Go. Ready? Alright.
Go! The thing's gonna break. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, that's so funny.
I'm so scared of it.
Why?
I'm scared of that little height and then the thing. I'm like, I'm gonna break my foot. Thank you, buddy.
So, my husband is not worried that there's a squirrel
Take them home.
over there
Whee!
trying to take our car. He's not worried. You're not worried that there's a squirrel trying to take our car.
No.
He's not worried. I'm worried, so I'm gonna go. Oh, he left. He knew I was coming. So.
Huh?
It's creepy over there without us?
Yeah.
Really? You need us to be over there to swing on the swing? We're not pushing.
I taught you how to swing.
We did. We taught her how to swing on the swing. And now she's saying that it's creepy over there without us. I think she just needs her parents. She's 7. She's 7, right?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you freaking out about? What, the dinosaur? The dinosaur is just bouncing his head over there.
You want me to? You want me to? Okay.
What? What are you saying?
Okay, wait.
Stop!
Now,
You're doing it.
grab here. Put this foot here. Put this foot here. Now put this foot here.
Jason, stop!
Give me your hand. Put one foot here. Now two foot. Go.
Stop, Jason! Move!
Now you can go down. You see the step under you? See right here? Look. Now you can step down with this foot. Yeah, come on.
Yay!
Grab here. Other foot down. Okay. Now you can keep going down if you want. You made it to the other side.
Yay! Yay!
Get off my bridge!
We were here?
Yeah. Mommy, we were right here.
You were right there?
I know there's no water right here. Little free library. Little free library is a gift from friends who wanted to pay it forward. They hope you would do the same.
Magazine.
there's
People
books
who
in
don't
there.
have.
I could bring all my magazines
Oh
here
yeah,
and donate them.
yeah. Instead of tracking.
Whoa!
I can bring all my magazines.
Lunch and recess.
Yeah, instead of tracking.
It's a schoolhouse.
Lunch and recess.
School's outside.
It's a schoolhouse. School.
Oh, it's a little.
School's
It's a
outside.
It's the
It's
schoolhouse.
a the schoolhouse. You might don't want to go there.
Daddy, I think this is for children.
Daddy, I think this is for children.
Daddy's still a
Daddy's still a
child.
child. You mean?
Hi. Hey, but then I want to move it to 100 square feet.
Oh, really?
I don't even think this is 100.
Really? So what are you gonna do with us?
I don't know. We can all sleep here.
No, I don't think so.
Found lots of ghosts. We better go.
I hit my head. I don't think this is a good idea.
I found lots of ghosts. I think we have to go. No. See? Lots of ghosts. I want to come in. Mommy! Can I come in
Yes.
the house? Look.
What is it?
It's open. It's open.
It's open? It should be.